Hello, welcome to Alloy Day 6 here at Experimental Sound Studio in Chicago. Here's the beautiful piano that I'll be working on today, and just have a plan for today is to focus on rubber as a material. I'm going to test out these foam rubber pencil grips. Also the different kind of pencil grip, a little bit harder rubber, a little bit more heavy duty. You can still cut a hole in it so that you can tuck it onto the strings like this. This is after I cut it already. And I'm gonna also try them compared with these reusable straws, silicone straws, and balloons in different shapes and forms. And they're all so colorful. It's great. Lots of colors. After that, I'm going to try to do a little bit more experimenting with tin foil if I have time. Did a lot of that last time. We'll see if I can get to it. That would be the silicone straw, reusable straw. The next one over is this one here, the pencil grip foam pencil grip. The next one over is pencil grip with hard plastic. And then the last one is a balloon. All right, here's the first one with just screws. Here we are again now with plastic beads. I picked out all the pink ones so it matches. Oh, this one's nice. They all have different qualities. This one still moves a lot, even though I'm trying my best to keep them in place. So that's an issue. Maybe a bolt would work better because it will just push the strings apart a little bit more. All right, here's one more experiment with external tooth washers over bolts. There was one other discovery I made today with the straws, the reusable straws. Recapping the day on what I experimented with for different rubber. We used balloon, hard plastic pencil grip, foam pencil grip, and silicone reusable straw. So what I learned was the balloon is hard to install, and it's hard because it touches other strings easily, but when you do install it, it's very dense and it covers a lot of surface area on the strings, so it really mutes it very heavily, and it kind of gives it just a very non-pitched, deadened, but kind of pingy sound, like kind of has a high-pitched ping to it, even though it's quite muted, probably the most muted out of all of them. The hard plastic pencil grip is very tricky to make work when it's pushing the strings out the way it does with this particular size screw. It works much better with bolts or maybe with a thicker screw. But it has a great sound too. It really has a nice resonance to it. These are the lighter, they're in order of lightness in terms of how much it deadens the note that's being played. So you kind of get a combination of the note, some harmonics depending on where they're placed, and then of course whatever else you put in there with it, like a screw with a bead or washer or nut. So these are really versatile in that way. This can work with certain things very well.
this deadens everything and kind of makes it more pingy. In terms of rattling, the rattling stuff like these teeth and the bead and these kinds of things, like where they're going to rattle around the nut, having some sort of function like that. These tend to work the best for that. This works fairly well with a bolt, but these two work quite well with the rattling stuff. So that's about all I've got to do today. A lot of in-depth rubber explorations, especially how they can combine with other preparations.